What about you folks? It's Lee here. Sorry it's been a while, but I need to get into this video pretty quickly because I'm having a major craft room clear out, which will be going up on eBay today. So this will be the first round of sales. So if you don't see something that you want, keep a wee eye out because there's going to be more items being listed. So the first listing is embossing powders. I think there's 92 maybe here. Embossing powders, mica powders, pigment powders, everything you can think of. It's all there. Cosmic shimmers, Debbie Moore. There's absolutely loads. There's heated up there as well, and loads of different coloured embossing powders, pigments, the wee sparkly ones, iridescent, you name it, it's there. So some of them are used, the majority of them are brand new and have never been used. So the next listing is Tim Holtz configuration boxes. These were removed from the original packaging, but they're brand new. Next one is Tim Holtz stamp set. So there's 6 stamp sets there. Some are new and obviously some have been lightly used as well, but they're all in perfect stamping condition. So there's 6 of those. Next one is Tim Holtz and Wendy Vecchi stamp set. And that's, I think is it Crazy Birds or Bird Crazy you call them. So they're brand new, never used. And then the Wendy Vecchi one, I think it's brand new as well. And then there's another stamp set there from Tim Holtz as well. Next one we've got is 22 stencils. The majority of them are Tim Holtz and Creative Expressions and the Craft Workshop. These are all brand new, never used. Now these ones here, they have been put into easier packaging for storage. So I did remove them from the original packaging. But they're all brand new, they've never been used. All ready to go. There's Tim Holtz stamps or stencils there. That's the ones that have been put into different packaging. All the details will be listed below. These were wee single ones that I got with some of those stencils, so they're new too. These are Just Right stamps. There's 3 sets here. These are gorgeous for backgrounds and for making like wee postcards in your journals and stuff. Gorgeous stamp sets. So there's 3 of those. Lesson number 7 is more stamp sets. 7 Gypsies, Lost Coast Designs, The Girl Paperie. I think that one there's new, it's never been used. That's the 7 Gypsies. And then The Girl's Paperie. Next listing, we've got more stamps. So the LOL stamps, the sentiment stamps there, they've never been used. And the urban, the one with the lady there, that hasn't been used either, they're brand new. Lesson number 4 is Paper Artsy red rubber stamps. These are really expensive to buy, these sets. I think I spent maybe £22 on each set of these stamps, so grab yourself a bargain. And also these Joffy ones, the Paper Artsy ones. These are also, I think, around between £20 and £22 a set. Oh, there's £19.95 for that one. A lot of these are brand new, have never been used. I've listed all the details about what's new and what's been used on my eBay listing. And here we go, number 11, more Paper Artsy Joffy stamps. They're all red rubber and they've been mounted as well, so they're really, really good for stamping. Next up, wood mounted stamps. There's Stamp Boutique, Finnabar, Debbie Moore and more. Some of these are brand new and some have been used lightly. All beautiful stamps. They're the Finnabar ones. That wee red rubber one there is from Stamp Boutique. And then we've got the paper flowers and roses. I think the majority of these were either I Am Roses or I think Wild Orchid Crafts possibly were the majority of them. I've got quite a lot of flowers here, so there's going to be a few listings. Here's 8 packs. Some of them are from Recollections, which is Michael's craft brand. And then I think these are the Wild Orchid Crafts, these ones as well. And then there's some petals that you can make up your own flowers with. And you can see there's absolutely tons of flowers here. I scribbled out the amount because some had been taken from the pack. But they're all in perfect usable condition. And here's the next 9 pack. More paper flowers and roses. Look at those, aren't they gorgeous? As far as I'm aware, I think these are all Wild Orchid Crafts. Gorgeous colours. Number 16, more flowers and roses. Hope I'm not boring you with this talk over. Next up, number 17, there's various paper flowers, stamen, leaves, paper roses and more. This is more like your fillers for your flowers, and if you want to make your own flowers, there's stamen, wee baby roses, there's the petals, and you've got the rosettes there, and loads of leaves. That's cute wee roses there, and hundreds of stamen. So you'll be sorted for days for flower making there. And next up we've got rhinestone borders and flat back pearls, sequins, feathers, you name it. This is a big lot. So we've got sequin trim there, we've got flat back pearls, rhinestones, all the wee borders, they're all self-adhesive. And there's feather stamen as well, they're perfect for making handmade flowers as well. So everything's going to be listed on eBay. It's UK only, I'm afraid. I'm very sorry about that, but that's the way I have to do it because international is just way too much money for you to spend. And then I have loads of embellishments that I have made and that I've also purchased. So you'll see loads of listings for these wee flat back gems and pearls. So it's all through eBay, as I said. I'm sorry it's UK only, but at the minute international shipping is way too expensive and I'd be too worried about everything getting there safely. So UK only. Have a look down in the description. I will put the link to my eBay account and you'll see everything listed there. Thanks everybody. Toodles noodles. Bye.